Welcome back. Now we have discussed about types of injection system used in CI engine. So this fuel injection system for CI engine is mainly classified into two types. That is, first one is air injection and second is solid injection. So in case of air injection system, fuel is injected inside engine cylinder by the application of pressurized air or by means of high pressure air which is about 70 bar or above the 70 bar into the combustion chamber. So for the pressurization of that fuel, compressed air is required. That means compressor is required and fuel pump is required, because fuel pump only suck the fuel from the fuel tank and that fuel is pressurized with the help of compressed air. So that is called as what? Air injection system, as name indicates, because in this system fuel is pressurized by the application of compressed air. That is, fuel is injected inside engine cylinder by means of compressed air. Hence this system is called as what? Air injection system. Simple example of this air injection system is what? Kerosene stove. We have almost in everybody's house there is a stove, that is kerosene stove. If we pump that kerosene stove during the starting, whatever the kerosene which is present inside the tank, that kerosene is pressurized with the help of air. That is, if we supply the pumping or pump to that stove, air is get pressurized and that pressurized air apply pressure on the kerosene fuel, okay, and that pressurized fuel is injected or coming out through the nozzle. So that is simple air injection system. Second simple example of this air injection is what? Spray painting. In the spray painting, whatever the paint is there, that paint is pressurized with the help of compressed air. Again, example of this washing centers, that is washing of bikes, washing of car, that in that also that air injection system is used. In that case, water is pressurized by the application of compressed air. So these are the simple examples of this air injection system. So in air injection system, fuel is pressurized by the application of compressed air. That pressure is about 70 bar or above the 70 bar as per the requirement. For this system, there is requirement of separate compressor for the compression of air and fuel pump to suck the fuel from or supply the fuel from tank to the nozzle. So advantages of this system is provides good atomization of fuel, because as the pressure, you have to increase the pressure of air. As pressure increases, atomization of fuel is very fine. So we can give more pressures with the help of this system. So provides good atomization. Heavy viscous fuels which are cheap can be used. As we have to give more pressure, we have to use heavy viscous fuels like kerosene, because as the pressure is more or as we have to give more pressure with the help of air, we can atomize that heavy viscous fuels also in a fine droplets or fine particles. Fuel pump needs to develop only small pressure. In air injection system, whatever the fuel pump is required, that fuel pump only suck the fuel from the tank and supply up to the nozzle or up to this injection system. That means it does not require a high pressure pump. It requires small pressures. So these are the advantages of this air injection system. Now what are the disadvantages? As this system requires compressor for the compression of air, So this system have more maintenance. This system is bulky because separate compressor, separate fuel pump is required. So system is bulky and expensive. It cannot be used for portable engine due to requirement of air compressor, and the system is used, it reduces the power output and mechanical efficiency. In case of small or portable engines, this system is not suitable because it requires a separate compressor, and to run the compressor, power output from the engine is utilized. So as the some power of the engine is consumed for the compression purpose or for compressor, mechanical efficiency of the system or some amount power output from the engine decreases. So these are the disadvantages of this air injection system. So due to these disadvantages, nowadays this air injection system is not in use. Now the second injection system is solid injection system, or this system is also called as airless injection system. So as name indicates, solid or airless means in this system fuel is directly injected inside engine cylinder without the application of compressed air. So in this system, whatever the fuel is pressurized, that fuel is pressurized with the help of high pressure fuel pump without the application of compressed air. So with the help of high pressure pump, that fuel is pressurized above 70 bar or as per the requirement and injected inside engine cylinder. So this system is also called as solid injection or airless mechanical injection system. So this solid injection system is again classified into mechanical injection and electronic injection. So there are two types of solid injection or airless injection system. First one is mechanical injection and second one is electronic injection. So as name indicates, mechanical injection means in this system mechanical components are used for the regulation of quantity of fuel, or for the injection of fuel mechanical components are used. And in case of electronic injection system, electronic devices, that is actuators, signal transmitters, so like some electronic injection or electronic devices are used, and this system is called as what? Electronic injection system. In mechanical injection system, again there are three types, that is common rail direct injection system, that is CRDI or common rail system. Second one is individual pump system, and third one is distributor system. So these three systems are very important as exam point of view. In every examination for 5 or 6 marks, one of this injection system is asked in university examination: common rail, individual pump system, or maybe distributor system. So these are nothing but what types of injection system. Mainly two types: air injection and airless injection. In air injection, whatever the fuel is pressurized and supplied to the engine, it is used with the help of high pressure air. And in solid injection, without the compressed air, fuel is injected inside engine cylinder. So this is about types of injection system.